Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Car Reviews. Today we're looking at something bold, aggressive, and absolutely head-turning, the LUMMA Range Rover Sport. This is not your ordinary luxury SUV. This is what happens when British refinement meets extreme German tuning attitude. The moment you see this LUMMA-tuned Range Rover Sport, you instantly notice the difference. The stance is wider, lower, and far more aggressive than the standard model. The front bumper has been completely transformed with larger air intakes, sharper lines, and a sportier, more dominant presence. It doesn't just look premium, it looks powerful. Moving to the side profile, the wide-body kit gives this SUV an amplified road presence. The extended wheel arches perfectly wrap around those massive black alloy wheels, giving it that performance-focused look. The side skirts are redesigned to enhance aerodynamics, while the lowered stance makes it look planted and confident on any road. At the rear, the transformation continues. The aggressive rear diffuser, quad exhaust setup, and sporty spoiler give it a super sub vibe. The LUMMA badging adds exclusivity, reminding everyone that this is not a standard Range Rover Sport, this is something far more special. Now let's talk about the interior. Inside, the Range Rover Sport already offers premium luxury, but with LUMMA customization, it becomes even more exclusive. You get high-quality leather upholstery, contrast stitching, carbon fiber accents, and personalized detailing that makes the cabin feel unique. The digital driver display and large infotainment screen provide seamless connectivity with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Ambient lighting enhances the premium atmosphere, especially during night drives. Comfort is still a top priority. The seats are supportive, spacious, and designed for long journeys. Whether you're cruising through the city or heading out on the highway, this SUV delivers smoothness and refinement that Range Rover is known for. Performance-wise, depending on the variant, the Range Rover Sport offers powerful engine options that deliver strong acceleration and confident handling. With all-wheel drive capability and advanced suspension systems, it balances luxury and sport perfectly. The LUMMA body kit doesn't just improve looks, it enhances road presence and driving excitement. Now let's talk exclusivity. A LUMMA Range Rover Sport is not something you see every day. It's built for someone who wants to stand out, someone who appreciates luxury but also demands attention. This is a statement SUV, bold styling, amplified presence, and unmistakable dominance. If you're looking for a luxury SUV that turns heads everywhere it goes, the LUMMA Range Rover Sport is definitely in a league of its own. So what do you think about this aggressive transformation? Would you choose the standard Range Rover Sport or the LUMMA edition? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe to Car Reviews, and turn on the notification bell for more luxury and performance car content. I'll see you in the next one.